description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that comes by way of the folks over at Tapatio. This is their Carne Asada with lime. It's Friday, January 31st, 2024. Really quite a day, folks. Really quite a day. I think the lid goes off of this completely, as this will be microwaved, right? Remove lid completely. Add in the flavor sauce packet deal, and then fill the line with room temp water and microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm opting for 3. I don't want any overspillage. I think 3 will be just fine. So yeah, Carne Asada with lime. They sent me this recently. It sounds good. Yeah. How is everyone doing? We are looking at the possibility of snow soon. It's very dark, murky outside. I went out for a while. I got sprinkled on a little bit, but I took a nice long walk. Let's go to the microwave device, the wave. And we'll run this for 3 minutes at power level 70. Oh, no. There you go, power level. It says 3 to 4 minutes, but yeah. I feel more comfortable with 3. There we go. Room temperature water being used here at the Ramen Raider World Headquarters. I hope you're enjoying your day. There's not much I can do about that. Well, no, now you're enjoying your day because you're watching this wonderful show. It's really dark in here. It feels like it should be like about, I don't know, 5 p.m. But it's 1:30, and I don't know if you can tell, but it is really, really dim outside. Oh, look, there's the game. See the screen back there? That's that game I was talking about called Balatro. It's good. It's really good. You should check it out. Balatro. It's fun. It's addictive. It's cool. If you like enjoyable things, I recommend it. Yeah. And yeah, I'm doing this one and 2 more today. Not the episode tomorrow, but the one after that will come out at the regular time of 9 a.m. Pacific time, and then at 9:30 there will be a mukbang. Ooh. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. I got a fork. I got a spoon. Didn't need scissors for this one, but I will need scissors, so I'm doing my prep as we continue on in what we're doing. Yeah. So we got the news that we're going to have tariffs for Mexico and Canada starting March 1st. However, on the new news locally, they said it was going to start tomorrow. See these? These are scallions. Guess where they come from? No, not Mozambique. No, not Slybobia. No. They come from Mexico. And if I have to get scallions locally and they go up any more in price, I'm going to lose my freaking mind. So they're on sale right now at the local store, $1.25 per bunch. That's horrible. They should be 99 cents for a big bunch of them and really healthy. The last set I got, it was $2.50 for 2 bunches, and they're actually really nice. Normally, they're garbage. They have the organic ones, and those go for $2 each, which is really obscene. And yeah. So I don't know how this is all gonna pan out. Honestly, I really don't think. I don't think they know how much we really get from Canada and Mexico. I hope you like maple syrup and you bought some. Meanwhile, tonight we have to go to Costco because we might not be able to tomorrow because they're going on strike. And it sounds like they got the union has a good point. It's like they haven't gotten a raise in a long time, and they deserve a raise. So give them a raise. They had like their profit went up by like 135% and all this stuff. It's just like, you can afford it, you can do it. Don't be cheesy. Treat your people good, and they'll stick with you. That's kind of like, I don't know, all those old cartoons that said like how business works. There was one with Elmer Fudd that was like, it's like, so you make all the money and then you buy things. No, you put it back into the company, into the employees, and blah blah. I don't know. I think we can learn a lot by watching Bugs Bunny and Elmer Fudd on how to deal with things. It's really simple until things get in the way. But that being said, on to something more interesting. This, I'm very curious. It smells real good. So at 3 minutes, the noodle is slightly al dente, but not in a bad way at all. They're kind of chewy, and they're nice. I'm impressed with it. I really like that noodle. Here's the broth. Very, very red. Let's give it a try. There's the lime. There's a cumin hit. Maybe like a tomato hit. That's really good. I'm pretty sure this is actually made in South Korea. I think it's made by Samyang. So the first time I had some like private label co-packer stuff that was supposed to be more Latin style, I guess. It tasted like kimchi, and I wasn't really all that like enthused. This, however, this tastes way more authentic. I'm really digging this. Very nice. I like this. I wish I had more garnish to beautify it, but I don't. But I do have some. We're gonna go with some crushed red pepper to start out with. It is spicy. It's nice, and it's got a nice warmth to it. I'm actually really, really, really excited about this one. This one's a really good cup. And there's 2 others I get to try. There's this one. I think there's a lime chili shrimp and a birria. The last birria variety I had from a different company was absolutely abysmal. So I'm hoping that these guys have a good one. But yeah, look at that. Look at all the sesame seeds I got. I'm excited. All right, let's rotate on this. And yeah, I think this is a good time for Rotato to do its stuff. What do you think, Rotato? You're on it? Good. Sorry if that made you dizzy. It wasn't supposed to. Sometimes this arm thing, I love it. I have a love-hate relationship with it that this camera's on. It's like a tripod. It's yeah. Anyways, yeah. The next one you're gonna see is one that came out of one of those Nakama Noodles boxes I'm always talking about. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Hey. Sapporo Ichiban travel noodles Hakata Tonkatsu with mustard greens from Japan. Sapporo Ichiban, yeah. And it only takes 2 minutes, so that's going to be a quick one tomorrow. So, yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.